supporting documents. You're already speaking of liquidation reports. And still you deny, you do not know?
Your Honor.
Mapikon ako iha eh. Hindi mo sinasagot yung tanong ko. Yung tanong ko is, if you understood it properly, sino po ang gumawa ng sulat na yun? Yun ang tanong ko eh.
Attorney Lopez,
Are you trying to tell me that
please be responsive to the question.
Are you trying to tell me that the Vice President was the one who prepared that letter?
No, Your Honor. We drafted the letter for consideration of the Vice President. We included therein all the other requests that we needed from the Department of Budget and Management. It is
So
a request.
you know something about confidential funds?
The request, Your Honor, yes.
Ano man yun? The request of the confidential fund. Well, yung confidential fund per se, hindi mo alam?
Your Honor, as mentioned earlier in the interpellation of Mr. Zia Diong, only the disbursement, utilization, these are matters that I am not privy to. But in the request for the budget that included the confidential fund, we drafted that letter, Your Honor.
Kasi in your letter to COA na pinirmahan ninyo ni Mr. Ortonio, detalyadong-detalyado eh. It pertains to yung liquidation reports in so far as the confidential funds are concerned. And yet you're telling us you do not know anything about its utilization, but you can answer the AOMs of COA. Specific na po yun, yung observations ng COA. Now, kaya I cannot believe that you do not know anything about its disbursement
Your
or
Honor.
its liquidation. Kasi nandito eh. Ang nakalagay dito, if may read, we respond to each finding in the AOM in seriatim. Kalagay, the submitted liquidation reports with their supporting documents. You're already speaking of liquidation reports. And still you deny, you do not know?
Your Honor,
Mapikon ako iha eh.
respectfully, Your Honor, I am not, I wouldn't want that, Your Honor.
At tingin nyo ba, may karapatan ang mamamayan na malaman nila itong pinagkakagastusan ng confidential funds? Na sinabi ko naman doon sa, when we hear the budget of the COA that time.
Your Honor, the agency errs on the side of prudence because according to the JC Memorandum Circular, this is information that is only given to certain agencies. Yun lang naman ang
Yes.
position namin. We
Kaya-
just want to be on the prudent side of releasing information.
Yes. Kaya nga, in aid of legislation, binuksan natin itong issue ng confidential funds. Wala pa ang VP, wala pa ang OVP, ay issue na natin itong confidential funds. Kaya gusto natin talagang mabago, no? Yung pagtingin dito sa confidential funds. Okay, Mr. Chair, nung tinanong natin during the budget hearing of the OVP, yung tungkol sa, ako yung first na nagtanong doon sa budget hearing ng budget ng OVP. Did you remember that, Mr. Chair? Nandun ka sa likod ni VP.
Opo.
Oo,
Yes,
nandun
yes.
ka sa likod ni VP. At talaga namang hindi ako satisfied kasi wala naman siyang sinagot. 2 linya lang yung mga sinabi niya, di ba? So hindi ako satisfied talaga. Okay, Mr. Chair. So, yun lang, no? Gusto ko lang linawin yung ano ba yung position namin sa confidential funds? Ano ba yung papel dito ni Speaker? No, walang papel whatsoever si Speaker doon sa pag-ano namin, pagbusisi namin sa confidential funds. Hindi lang naman OVP. Kung mapapakinggan nyo ako, ang makabayan, hindi lang confidential funds ng OVP ang kinikriticize namin. Tama? Okay, so, pero dito sa letter na ito, Mr. Chair, may plano talaga ang Office of the Vice President na mag-interfere doon sa ating conduct ng ating proceedings. Dahil dito, Mr. Chair, I'm sorry, Attorney Lopez, no, dahil ikaw yung nakapirma dito, and according to our rule, one of the reasons on the undue is the undue interference in the conduct of proceedings. So may I move, Mr. Chairs, na nag-violate si Attorney Lopez dito sa ating proceedings or doon sa ating trabaho due to this Section 11 letter F, undue interference in the conduct of proceedings. May I move to cite Attorney Lopez in contempt, Mr. Chair? I move.
Mr. Chair, before you make the ruling,
Any second?
if I may be allowed,
Any second to the motion?
uh,
Duly seconded. Is there any objection?
Your
Hearing none, the
Honor.
motion is carried.
respectfully, it was not the intention of the Office of the Vice President to...
Attorney, you wait for me to acknowledge you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
For that,
Apologize, Your Honor. On another matter, this is a personal note for the Congressman Franz. Ma'am, I truly apologize if there was something in that letter that slighted you on a personal note. It was not my intention, Your Honor. I deeply apologize, and I wish and I hope you would consider my apology. This is my personal apology, ma'am. And I would like to request to the members of the Honorable Committee to lift that contempt order or to reconsider and grant my request, Your Honor, not to cite me in contempt. Maraming salamat, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
What is the pleasure of Congresswoman Franz Castro?
Well, Mr. Chair, on a personal, no, the apology is accepted. However, in the totality of the discussion from 10 o'clock up to now, nakita natin, Mr. Chair, no, very evasive yung mga sagot ni Attorney Lopez. Tsaka nakita talaga natin na itong letter na to, hindi lang itong letter na to, Mr. Chair, yung totality talaga ng mga discussions pa kanina. Yun yung dahilan bakit natin siya gustong nag-move tayo na to cite in contempt. Kaya, Mr. Chair, I stand by my motion, Mr. Chair.
Okay, since we have already cited Attorney Lopez in contempt, the question now is the period. So what is the pleasure of the body? May we know from Congresswoman Franz Castro?
Since maximum naman, Mr. Chair, no, na penalty natin dito is 10 days, considering the health no nung ating resource person. Nakita naman natin siya kanina, no. And naging matyaga naman siya din sa pagsagot sa atin. So we will have the next meeting on November 25, Mr. Chair. So I move na until November 25.
Which is on Monday.
Yeah.
Okay, is there any second to the motion?
Second.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried. May we request the Sergeant at Arms to arrange a room dito lang po sa vicinity ng House of Representative.
Mr. Chair, ito lang po, anyway, yung rights ni Attorney Lopez, malinaw naman po sa kanya. Last hearing kung nandito sila by Monday, baka kaya na nating tapusin. No, ang malaga kasi dito yung tatlo ay yung apat, no? Yung Barda couple and si Tenorio and Acosta.